Hey, do you want to learn how to use the edit feature inside Lovable AI? With this, you can edit any element visually. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. All right, so the edit feature is very useful inside Lovable AI, and to enable it, you can go here on the bottom left. You're going to find this over here, this edit button. You can also enable it by pressing these two keys on your keyboard, the Alt plus S, like this. You can enable it. Then on the right hand side, you can click on one of these elements. For example, I can click here on the text. Then I can just start typing in. So I can say at, and that's it. Now I can click on save on the bottom to save it. Just like that, I'm going to enable it again by clicking over here on the bottom left, and then select one of these elements. For example, this one. I can ask for quick changes, but this requires the AI to work. So in this case, it's going to take away 1 credit from your total balance. So don't do this if you're using the visual edit. But if you do want the AI to look at this particular section, you can use it. There's this spacing here. So the margin and padding, you can do it visually. Like you can add 5 margin, top and bottom, left and right. The padding, left and right, the top and bottom. You also got the style, so you can change the background from here. Make it a black color like this, or make it white. There is border radius, you can change it. And in advanced, you've got select parent and go to code. So you've got this class here. So you can go to code, confirm. And this is the section that we were just on. So if you want to change it using the code editor, you can do that, but you do need to upgrade to a paid plan for it to work. All right, let's click on edit again. Now let's say I want to delete something. I can click here on this bin icon to delete it. For example, this one. Let's click here and delete. That's it. Now let's click on save. These visual edits that you do, like changing the name or deleting an element and such, it can be done without wasting any credits. But if you ask the AI anything, even visually, like ask for quick changes, then it's going to take away your credit. I can also click on this button and change the font size, font weight, color, text align, and such, like this. I can also go for custom and change a custom color for it, background color, and the text color, like this. Then simply click on save again. All right, I also edited this part and asked it to readjust the layout to make it better. It did took 1 credit from me, and it added these stuff inside it. The better spacing, centered empty state, card-based design. Once you've done it, make sure to publish it. So on the top right, click on publish and update. Updated. Now let's go to the website to see the live changes that we did with visual edit. There you go. And that's it. That's how to use the Lovable AI edit feature. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Lovable AI related guides and fixes. See you there, and bye for now.